Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Apple Watch Solo Loop Band. Color is deep navy, 44 millimeter deep navy solo loop, size 5. Here's what the package looks like. A typical Apple, pretty fancy packaging. Slim, sleek profile, deep navy solo loop. All right, let's do it. The most therapeutic part. Peeling off their little, here we go. So therapeutic. All right. Okay. Got this tab to help pull it out. Wow, Apple Watch Band. Solo loop, deep navy, here we go. Shows you how to connect it, nothing special, but nice animation, or nice graphics, I mean. They put a lot of detail into their packaging. All right, here we go. Wow, look at this little tab to pull it out. Wow, therapeutic. If I had done that straight. Let's run it back. Okay, screw it. You guys get the point. Here we go. Solo loop, pretty elastic. Here we go. Let me show you what it looks like when I put it on. So right now I'm rocking the white. So wanted to mix it up, match it better sometimes with the navy color. So here's the white solo loop I have. Gotta stay fresh with more colors, you know. Gotta stay looking good and fly for the fall. Let's go. Put this in, show you how it looks like. Wow. Such a good match. So, like how you just slide these on, really comfortable. Doesn't attract lint. I know there are the Amazon knockoffs, you know, but I'm all about getting the Apple branded ones since they are higher quality, last longer, and do not attract lint, especially the white version. I mean, the ones, well, I guess just need to clean it, but yeah, they don't attract lint on the outside. So yeah, it's good. Cool. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Peace.